Welcome to my next tutorial, React and React Basic and React and Node integration. In this tutorial, we will see and learn about the basic of the HTMLs. Now you can see here, this is a HTML page where I will implement the some basic structure of the React. First, we have to do. I will need to there some JS file like react.js, React DOM, and another is browser. These three JS file will be used uh, for React. In first file we are I'm using for uh, one second. I'm going to increase the zoom. First, I am using a react.js. This is a for import from the React. Another I am using a react-dom.js. This is a from React DOM for render the uh, uh, React DOM element, and last is browser min. This is a for Babel transformation, Babel compilation process for this is a browser. Now I need to div for where I will put my HTML part on to the div. Close the div. Next step I need to the scripts. This scripts used for uh, rendering our content into the div. This is a basic structure where we can use for render the HTML. React DOM dot render method is coming from the React DOM dot JS file. Okay, here I am putting the HTML with content node. This is a for here content divs. Now let's go to the browser, run a file. Now you can see here this is a hello is display on the browser. Okay friends, so this is a basic example of the React where I'm using a JS file. Now let's move to the next step for I will integrate with the Node.js. So first I will need to the app.js file, creating a app.js. There's a two modules only needed. First is express for the for run our start for server app.listen, open a 3000 port for listen of server. Another I'm using a app.use. This is a here I this is a app.use is a middleware that is use the used for specifying the which is a HTML specifying the static file of the HTML path. Express.static means it will be specifying the folder name which it is using for rendering, which is used for calling the HTML page through the Node.js uh, through a middleware. Okay, now let's move it to the this is a static, so this is a folder name. So here I am creating a folder, or this is the same exactly file that I have created of previously. You can see here this is the same file. Okay friends, now now I'm moved to the folder and start a server npm sorry node app.js. Now I'm go to the browser or hit a 3000. You can see here hello is display on the browser. So this is a smallest example for integrating the HTML with the React with the node. HTML and React with the node. Okay, friends. So this is enough for this tutorial. I will meet you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.